Welcome to Health Haven, where we dissect popular fitness myths and bring you the facts. Today, we're tackling the 100 push-ups a day challenge. You've seen it everywhere. People claiming miraculous transformations just by committing to this simple exercise daily. But what's the truth? Let's find out. Push-ups, a fundamental yet powerful exercise, targets key upper body muscles, your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Enthusiasts of the 100 push-ups a day challenge swear by its effectiveness. Even fictional heroes like Saitama from One Punch Man are said to use this regime. But can you really see significant gains from this routine? Let's dive into the science and real-world application to understand what you can genuinely expect. Starting with the basics, proper form is crucial to maximize gains and avoid injuries. So how do push-ups benefit us when done correctly? Research shows that muscles like the pecs, triceps, deltoids, and the serratus anterior get the most workout, improving in strength and definition. Now, let's break down what happens to your body when you embark on this intense regimen. Initially, the surge in activity will lead to muscle soreness, especially in the first week. This is known as DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, a normal reaction as your muscles adjust to the new stress. However, as you push through the days, there are critical factors to consider. Your muscles need recovery time, typically 48 hours, to repair and grow stronger. When you perform push-ups daily, you might not be giving your body enough time to recover, leading to fatigue and decreased performance over time. In the later weeks, muscle fatigue isn't your only concern. Repetitive stress can lead to joint discomfort, particularly to wrists and elbows. To alleviate this, consider using push-up handles to reduce the strain on your wrists. By the fourth week, the challenge can become even more daunting. Without balancing exercises for the back muscles, you risk developing muscle imbalances, which could lead to poor posture and shoulder issues. So what's the bottom line after 30 days of continuous push-ups? While you will likely see some muscle growth and strength improvement, the lack of recovery time can hinder your progress and may even cause more harm than good. Is it worth the effort? Rather than sticking to a rigid daily regimen, incorporating rest days and a variety of exercises might be more beneficial. It ensures continuous improvement without overwhelming your body. Pushing your limits in the gym means nothing if recovery isn't part of your routine. That's where Balmorix Pro steps in. Formulated specifically for those who don't let up on their fitness goals, this powerhouse supplement supports your joints, back, and muscles, helping to reduce discomfort and promote recovery after intense workouts. Make Balmorix Pro your new workout partner and experience the difference it makes in your training and day-to-day mobility. Click the link in the description to learn more and take the first step towards optimized recovery. Continuing from our deep dive into the 100 push-ups a day challenge, let's explore some additional insights and consider alternative strategies that might yield better results with less risk. While push-ups are an excellent exercise for building upper body strength, the key to sustainable fitness improvements lies in variety and moderation. Instead of focusing solely on push-ups, incorporating a balanced workout regimen can enhance overall fitness without overtaxing specific muscle groups. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, occurs through consistent and varied stress followed by adequate recovery. The continuous strain of doing 100 push-ups every day can lead to overuse injuries and stunted growth if recovery phases are not properly managed. This is because muscles grow during rest periods, not during the workout itself. Therefore, it's crucial to allow your muscles time to recover and strengthen. Rest days are vital. They not only prevent injury, but also help in achieving better muscle growth and overall fitness. Additionally, nutrition plays a crucial role in muscle recovery and growth. Consuming a balanced diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates can significantly boost your results. Protein, in particular, is essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. Ensuring you consume enough protein after your workouts can make a significant difference in your results. To avoid the pitfalls of repetitive exercise routines, consider alternating push-ups with other exercises that target different muscle groups. For instance, incorporate pull-ups to strengthen the back and biceps, which are not actively engaged during push-ups. This not only helps in building a more symmetrical physique, but also prevents the risk of developing muscle imbalances. Additionally, integrating lower body and core exercises such as squats, lunges, and planks can enhance overall body strength and improve posture. This holistic approach to fitness helps in maintaining a balanced and functional body, reducing the risk of injuries and improving overall athletic performance. Another key concept in fitness is the principle of progressive overload. To continue making gains, you need to gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. This can be achieved by increasing the number of repetitions, adding weights, or incorporating more complex variations of push-ups. For example, once you are comfortable with standard push-ups, you could transition to diamond push-ups to put more emphasis on your triceps and deltoids, or elevate your feet to increase the challenge for your upper chest and shoulders. Varying your workout routine not only benefits your body, but also keeps you mentally engaged. Doing the same exercise every day can become monotonous and demotivating. Mixing up your workouts can keep the routine interesting and increase your motivation to stick with your fitness goals. Remember, true fitness is a long-term commitment and not a 30-day challenge. Setting realistic goals, creating a balanced workout plan, and listening to your body are crucial steps in maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. Fitness should enhance your life, not become a source of stress or injury. Engaging with a community or having a workout buddy can also greatly enhance your motivation and commitment. Sharing your goals, challenges, and successes with others can provide a sense of accountability and support, which is incredibly valuable in maintaining a long-term fitness routine. Continuing our exploration of holistic fitness, let's delve deeper into understanding the physiological effects of regular exercise beyond just muscle growth, and how you can optimize your routine for overall health and well-being. While push-ups primarily target muscle strength and endurance, integrating cardiovascular exercises into your routine can significantly enhance heart health. Activities such as running, cycling, or even brisk walking increase heart rate, which helps in improving cardiac efficiency and reducing the risk of heart diseases. By combining strength training with cardio workouts, you can not only build muscle, but also improve your stamina and heart health, creating a well-rounded fitness regimen. Another often overlooked aspect of a comprehensive fitness plan is flexibility and mobility work. Exercises like yoga, pilates, or simple stretch routines can greatly enhance your range of motion and decrease the risk of injuries. This is particularly important if you're engaging in repetitive exercises like the 100 push-ups challenge, as it can lead to tightened muscles and joints. Integrating flexibility exercises can help counteract these effects by enhancing muscle elasticity and joint mobility. The benefits of regular exercise extend far beyond the physical. Engaging in regular physical activity has been shown to have profound effects on mental health, including reduced symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, often known as the feel-good hormones, which can create feelings of happiness and euphoria. Additionally, the focus required during exercise can also serve as a form of meditation, allowing for a break from daily stresses and a chance to practice mindfulness. To support an active lifestyle, proper nutrition cannot be overstated. Each meal and snack is an opportunity to fuel your body with the best nutrients to support your fitness goals. Carbohydrates are essential for energy, proteins for muscle repair and growth, and fats for hormonal function and joint health. Furthermore, hydration plays a critical role in overall health, especially in optimizing performance and recovery during and after workouts. Quality sleep is critical to recovery. It's during sleep that the body undergoes most of its repair processes. Lack of adequate sleep can hinder your fitness progress and lead to overtraining symptoms. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep per night to ensure your body can properly recover and build strength. Goal setting is a powerful tool in fitness. It's important to set achievable, realistic goals that motivate and guide you. Whether it's improving push-up count, running a certain distance, or simply committing to a number of workouts per week, clear goals help you stay focused and measure progress. Remember to celebrate small victories along the way, as they contribute to sustaining motivation over the long term. Consistency is key in any fitness journey. It's not about perfect workouts or strict diets, but about consistency over time. Regularly showing up for your workouts, even on days when you're not fully motivated, builds discipline that translates into results. Similarly, patience is crucial. Significant changes take time and effort, so it's important to remain patient and trust the process. For those looking to optimize their fitness regimen or overcome plateaus, consulting with fitness professionals can be invaluable. Personal trainers, nutritionists, and physiotherapists can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs, helping you achieve your goals more effectively and safely. Building or joining a community can dramatically enhance your fitness journey. Whether it's an online forum, a local gym group, or a running club, being part of a community provides support, motivation, and shared knowledge. Sharing your journey with others can make the process more enjoyable and less daunting. Finally, it's vital to view fitness as a lifelong journey. Instead of short-term challenges or quick fixes, think of it as a permanent lifestyle change. This mindset shift makes it easier to integrate fitness into your daily routine and makes wellness a part of your identity. Thank you for staying with us at Health Haven, where we're more than just a fitness channel. We're a community dedicated to lifelong health and well-being. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more insights. Share your fitness journey in the comments below or any topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep moving, stay healthy, and take care of yourself, body, mind, and spirit.